Tired of manually copying real estate agent information and ready to automate the process? First, head over to YouTube and type in Zillow Agent List Scraper or Redfin Agent Scraper. Depending on which platform you're targeting, you'll find numerous tutorials available. Browse through the search results, pay close attention to the video's upload date, view count, and the uploader's reputation. Newer videos are generally better as websites often change their structure, rendering older scraping methods obsolete. Watch a few different tutorials to get a good grasp of the various techniques. Many tutorials use tools like Python with libraries like Beautiful Soup or Scrapey. Others might demonstrate browser extensions. Most tutorials will guide you through installing the necessary software, such as Python and relevant libraries. They'll then show you how to inspect the website's HTML structure using your browser's developer tools to identify the elements containing the agent information you need. You'll learn how to write code or configure the browser extension to extract names, phone numbers, email addresses, and other relevant data from the identified HTML elements. Remember to respect the website's terms of service and robots text file to avoid getting blocked. Finally, the scraped data will typically be saved into a structured format, such as a CSV file or spreadsheet, ready for you to use. And that's how you can find tutorials to scrape real estate agent lists from Zillow or Redfin using YouTube.